Ah, here we going. Yeah, finally got the starter back for the old white, so gonna shove that in. It is in a shit spot too, but that's alright. So we'll shove that in there, and then I'm gonna put this tractor on the swingaway auger, just so we can get ready for when it finally dries out. After we had 20 mil of rain here, so yeah, I'm only on cereals to go, so we'll be pulled up now for a week if it rains tomorrow again. So yeah. Yeah, we had more rain overnight. I don't know. It was only scattered showers, like misty showers, but yeah, we'll be sort of stopped again. I don't know, it'll be at least Sunday now. Sunday, Monday. Maybe. Yeah, so I'll probably go play cricket this weekend. But yeah, just doing a few repairs on this auger I bought. Sort of wiring in a few lights and a few things. Got it on the white now. Got it going. Got the starter motor back in her, so sort of just get ready. I'll probably end up stripping most of my grain now and putting it in the silos, especially the wheat. Who knows what it's going to do now, falling numbers and shot grain. But yeah, we're pretty lucky here. We haven't had as much rain as some blokes, poor buggers, but yeah, we'll get back into it eventually. Yeah, so get this thing going, so then I'm going to store a paddock of barley, probably move the wheat on that's in the silos now and just refill with what we've got, what we're going to have in the paddocks at the moment. So yeah, sort of get this thing ready to go. Yeah, just doing a bit of wiring on a few lights at the moment, because I reckon once we get going, I think I'll just keep going. I don't think I'll stop or anything. But yeah, that's where we're at. It's a bit windy today, which is good. So wind means crops are drying out. As long as we don't get rain, wind and sun, that'll be handy. Yeah, I think we've had probably 35 mil, probably not quite that much, but yeah, that's sort of over the week. So where some poor buggers had like 85 yesterday, so at least we didn't get that. Yeah, just means might be a few downgrades in the wheat. Barley might be black tipped or something. Who knows? They'll bring out something. But yeah, that's about it. Straight to the battery, and then just start to see at night, give this old girl a bit of loving. Yeah, take her over and put her in the shed. Yeah, anyway, just got to do a bit of work to that scarif line there. And then I've actually got to go hook the stock crate up and can't load of sheep, so and I've got to grease the truck, so I'll take this back, put it in the shed, bring the truck over. back in the shed. Gonna fix his header up. I ended up, well, we had a bit of a wet week, so I thought I'd do a bit of maintenance. And I probably should have done it before harvest, but yeah, there's this gear that runs down that drives the feeder house chain. Yeah, she was a bit, as you can tell, the teeth are starting to wear out fairly bad, so thought I'd get a new one before it actually broke in the paddock. So yeah, we're just going to put that on. Thought it blown her down, so I'll just grease her. Yeah, then we might actually go and have a sample there, the Savo. Might try it at 3 o'clock or something. If it doesn't go, it doesn't go. Have a go tomorrow. Clean the windows and do all that, but yeah, sort of fed all the sheep this morning and just been catching up on jobs that I haven't been doing. So yeah, we'll do a bit on this. Oh, as you can tell here, the keys are a little bit different, hence why I'm filing it down. Because yeah, as you can see, that one, the key's a lot deeper. But this one there, she's got a pretty shallow key. And I haven't got a milling machine, I haven't got a key notcher or anything like that, so I'm just gonna file that one down and then we'll get it to fit. It's a bit of a pain, but we'll get there, we'll make it happen. Oh, I got that done. Didn't turn out too bad. Yeah, it's all back together now. I just ground that key down a little bit, so I'll file it. It's going to take a link out of this thing, but I probably need a half link, so I'll just keep an eye on it. It'll soon stretch out, and yeah, we'll get it happening. So now I'll sort of grease it all up. Yeah, there's a shitload of grease nipples on this thing. Yeah, the old modern headers have come a long way without greasing. Where this thing, got to grease it like every day and everything. Better not forget that in there. Yeah, we'll give her a grease, get her over in the paddock. The weather's sort of turned to crap a bit, but alright, so we'll still have to go. I did blow it down, doesn't look like it. But yeah, get her over the paddock and we'll go hook her on. And slowly getting through this harvest. Yeah, got started a couple of days ago after the rain. Moisture took a fair while to come back actually. Had to go Friday, it was sort of 14.7 I think. Then yeah, Saturday it rained again. Got going Monday, yeah, yesterday. Oh, 2 days ago, yeah. So barley, wheat, then done. Then yeah, I'll sort of, once I get my harvest done, I'll go and help one of my mates out carting a bit of grain just around his joint. So yeah, he's got a fair size farm, so I'll give him a hand, because obviously with my little acres it doesn't take overly long to get over it. But yeah, I was just going to do a little snippet of what the morning ritual is with running headers, and especially an old one like this one. Yeah, sort of show you a few things. Give her a big blow down. Yeah, service it, and then I'll have to go cart some grain, because I've filled up last night. So work out what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a bit home and also take a bit into town, or I might even get someone from down country to cart it yet. So I'll blow this down, and yeah, you can have a look.
Feels wet. Here we are, 9th of December, Saturday the 9th, and just raining. Have a look at the gauge. Oh gosh, that's not bad. 9 mils, I think. Yeah. It is wet out here. Not sure if you can see it on the camera, but like the ground is there. I'll get a close up of a puddle anyway. We shouldn't have puddles this time of year at all. We had a bit of a funny moment yesterday. As there's been a bit of rain that's hit our area the last couple of days, it's really slowed everybody's harvest down. So we left, me and the kids got in the side by side, and we just went for a bit of a drive, and then yeah, we're just driving around. We got to a point where we're on the home stretch home, and then one of the kids had put a screwdriver in the cigarette lighter, which had ended up short fusing it and then turning it off. I don't know the technical terms of it all, but anyway, it just stopped working. And the worst thing was, I didn't have my phone on me. Rupert was still in his jammies, I was still having my jammies, and Maeve was in a dress. And it's been a wet weekend. It was just starting to rain. And yeah, like Stuart was in bed having a bit of a sleep in, catching up on all the long days that he's been having. So yeah, we had a bit of a walk back, which is quite funny now, obviously, but not in that time when I'm having to carry a 3.5-year-old and a almost 2-year-old all the way back. It was interesting, but anyway, I just thought it was funny to add into to let you all know that it's not all sunshines and rainbows. Sometimes things just happen. So yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd show you a little track of how we walked. I walked all of the way, and the kids walked a lot of the way, but they did well. Anyway, I thought you'd keep you informed. See a field in the distance. That's like right behind our house. So it was a fair walk for them, which yeah, it was probably just short of 2k. Yeah, and it was like about 8:30 in the morning this happened, so it was a bit of an interesting morning. Yeah, kids weren't happy at all. I don't blame them. At least we did have breakfast, and then we walked into the house. Obviously when we walked in the house we were loud. Woke Stuart up and he's like, oh gosh, what a morning. I accidentally fell back asleep. Wow. Hear about the morning we've just had. Anyway, we're happy and we're laughing about it now. We had like over 10 mils of rain that day, so it was probably good that it happened early on in the morning. The lesson that I've learned from this is to make sure I always take my phone with me when I go for a drive in the buggy. But also probably don't let the kids accidentally put a screwdriver in the cigarette lighter, which blew the fuse. Fortunately, she was able to fix it. And here we are, telling you all about it.
Hey, how are you all? Yeah, we just had a massive storm here. Yeah, it's probably lasted about half an hour longer than I thought it was going to. Geez, we would have had 20 mil out of it, I reckon, so that's the end of harvest for I'd say a week. Like, you can't see much there, but it's wet. It's wet. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and get some welding jobs on the go. Got a bit of fencing to do, but it's still raining, so I'm not gonna worry about that. And yeah, change the battery in this camera because it's about to go flat. So yeah, it's pretty wet, but yard's getting a good soaking. Don't worry about that for a while. Yeah, no, I'm just gonna go up Manu, duck up there. Yeah, get a few jobs organised. Still raining. Yeah. So a few puddles getting around now. Putting water going into our house now.